I think you would like it. Yeah, you like local channels. And you need your
Steak
local.
and shake. Get you some.
So I would try to put you in like TV choice. TV choice is where you pick out 15 of your most watched channels. And you get your local channel. So you get automatically your local channel. You pick out 15 like say if you watch OOOO or BT or FX or Lifetime, you get those channels. Plus your local channel. Now TV stream, you get 85 channels, everything except your local channel. You get like basic cable without local channel. That way you don't get charged that broadcasting charges for $2 million. Right. So it's, a lot of my customers they either go to TV choice if they don't care about the locals. I put them in TV stream and they get the internet and the TV for like 85 to 90 bucks. And that way they keep the kids to watch all of their basic channels. So sometimes like you said, someone will go to local kids, but if you need if you want a local channel, we also have a better box. It's called a Xumo, Xumo, and with that you get like a lot of times if they do want they don't care about the local channel, I put them in the TV stream, which they have to put in the local channel. But if they don't have a smart TV, I get them a Xumo box. Xumo box is a combination of like a Bluetooth stick and the Apple TV. And the good thing about that, you can own it. It's on 350 channels. You get to add your basic cable package to it. Comes with 350 channels, your always on channel. And remote is voice activated. And you get to own it. So you can either finance it for $5 a month or 12 months and own it. Or you pay a one-time fee of $60 or you can rent it forever for $5 a month. It's still cheaper than the cable box, and it's a lot more channels. So the TV stream in the Xumo box, you will get some of your local channels, and you'll get a lot more channels. You get like what type of channels stuff you like to watch?